everybody, I discovered a new glitch. And yes, the old music from Dinosaur World Mobile is finally back. Anyway, by the way, this is the glitch I discovered. Okay, there's only 2 birds that could speed glitch. Yes, they can now speed glitch. Only 2 birds. The rest of the 3 can't, sadly. Just 2. Maybe I could be wrong. Hopefully 3 could speed glitch or more. I don't know. Maybe all these 4. Only mess dinos can't speed glitch. Anyway, let's just get into it. So, we're gonna be picking this dude. I discovered a new way of how to speed glitch as a bird. Just sleep. Press reset. Go to Game Pass. Do it just exactly the same way you do for normal speed glitching creatures. And yes, can move. No, I'm not a hacker. I don't know how to hack. Even though some people think I might. Let's go also fly. One second. Okay, made it easier. So maybe this could be good or something. Like you could fly, but then you could speed glitch at the same time. Try a speed glitch like this, won't work. But in order to do it, you got to go sideways. Wait, what? I didn't know I could do that too. The other way around? Wait, hold on. That's weird. Who cares? The good thing is, wait, I can speed glitch this way. This is amazing! Whee! This is going to be useful for future videos. And hopefully this video goes viral. Because I am the first person to ever discover this new glitch. This glitch nobody has been even thinking about. Not even when the speed glitch was even first invented. I think he's trying to catch me. He probably might get a new idea. Let's just fly. I think I'm slower with flying. This dude can speed glitch. Sadly not Pteranodon. I'll show you why. Hopefully I'm wrong about that part. Anyway, the reason why I came here is because I wanted to show you how it speed glitches. Stiff. Oh no. No! Dude, whoever that was, please do not do that again. Anyway, the next speed glitcher in this game is this one. Yes, it is this dude. Do the same thing, just press sleep, then press fly. And once you spawn, you speed glitch. Oh no. I am the first person to ever discover this glitch. This is a new glitch that nobody has ever thought of. Not even me. Until a day ago. Discovered this. Got an idea. Trying to find an easier way to speed glitch. Ah, forget it. Okay. So by the way, I'm this little... Wait, what? Oh, never mind. I'm this little birdie who could speed glitch. Pretty much this area is the flattest area of them all. So, pretty much things are gonna make a difference. Anyway, we're going to see if any other of the birds are speed glitches. I forgot to check them again. Goodbye. Okay. Almost Pteranodon. Now I must sleep. Maybe I might discover how to exactly... Ouch. Oh no. Wait. How come when he attacked me I didn't take any damage? That doesn't make sense at all. But that is good, by the way. Well, just in case. Ouch! Come on, dude. I'm trying to make a video here. Okay, let's just try this one more time. I had no choice but to go in the air. There's too many people down here who probably want to kill me and not allow me to make my video. Whoever is seeing me, please let me know. By the way, when I did the normal speed glitchy way, it didn't work. So I decided to do this. Makes them better speed glitches. Oh well. At least see. Fly. Oh well. By the way, still might continue working on this. I want to check the other dude. Okay, I am back. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Oh my god, the long ones. Let's try the speed one. Well, not offline. Yeah, this is actually... Wait. Oh, I think I discovered the perfect way to speed glitch. Just press attack, you'll start to move. Just a little bit. Don't you see me moving? I forget it. I need to go to more sunnier area. Oh no. Don't you see me moving? Anyway. By the way, I don't think this will work with this dude. Hopefully it does. Even though no mess dino could speed glitch. Oh no. Bye. Never mind. I discovered it in the hill. Wait, but I don't understand. Why is the music not coming out? I forget it. Oh well, the good news is they have not made... They did not remove the speed glitching in this turkey. This turkey can speed glitch very good. Plus, if you do it the better way, which I think I found an easier way, well, okay, I'll show you how to do the easier way. To order the speed glitch that way, while on the side like this, speed glitch like that, just like the stiff thing, just here, do what I do, da. And then, I believe you should automatically do that. Oh. Oops. Wrong way. Just gotta... Oh wait, gotta sit first. And then do that. And go game pass. And then do... Maybe just do it like this. Oh, never mind. I guess I haven't Owie. Never mind. I forgot how. Anyway, goodbye.